I grew up skateboarding as a kid. Later in life, I got exposed to tattoos. I came across artists who all they wanted to do was take my money and put a tattoo on me and then get the next client coming through the door. And that was a huge turning point for me because I felt that I could feel it was all about the transaction, and I was literally just someone paying them for a service. Some local artists totally changed that dynamic for me, and they made it not necessarily about the monetary transaction, but about the heart and soul of what they're bringing as an artist. It brought meaning and depth to what they were doing that completely transcended the monetary transaction. It was all about the heart and soul that they were putting behind what I had commissioned them to do. They totally changed the game for me, and I've tried to apply that in how I approach paintless dent repair. Maybe you just stumbled across this and you have no idea that what I do even exists. So I do what's called paintless dent removal. We're not repainting your car. We're not putting on a new panel. If you get a dent in your fender, we're gonna go in to the back side of that panel and we're gonna massage that dent out from the inside and get it back to its pre-damaged condition. We're basically going to reverse time, go in behind it and undent the damage that happened. And we have a unique ability to do that, which retains the factory paint, factory finish on your car in a way that you can never tell it was done. In most cases, we're half to a third of what a body shop would charge you. Most of what we can do can be repaired within a day or a couple hours. So I got into paintless dent removal in 1998. Over the years here in Jacksonville, I've serviced all the major car dealers. I do lots of repairs for individual car owners. In this business, I've traveled all over the United States, Canada, and Australia, repairing cars that have been damaged by hailstorms. I brought the whole family with me. We bought an RV. That was a great experience, exposing us to different cultures. I mean, just traveling gives you so much more exposure into how you see the world and how you see people and the things and the places I've been exposed to. My desire is that they all come out translated through your experience with me. If you're looking for the cheapest guy, that's not me. I'm gonna give you a fair price, not the cheapest way, the right way. It's never a fun experience getting a dent on your car. You're gonna have a moment of like, oh, this sucks, but then a little bit of moment of joy, like, I know who to call. I know the guy who can fix my problem. I know the guy who can give me that feeling back of my car looking how it should be. So my name is Boyette. I'm the owner operator of All Out Paintless Dent Removal here in Jacksonville, Florida. That's what gives me greatest satisfaction is when you walk out and look at your vehicle and it looks like I reversed time and put it back to its pre-damaged condition.